Hi friends, we're running some errands today and I would like to take you along with me to show you what it looks like to cut out the big box stores, shop small, be more mindful about the places you spend your money, and how I've been doing that around my town. I also showered today, so we're absolutely winning. The first stop we made today was at Sheely Town Market. The vibes in this place are absolutely immaculate. It is LGBTQ plus owned, and I needed more soil and some moss poles, and I know that they have them. So of course I'm going to support a local small business who always stands on the right side of history. And I saw that they had this wonderful donation center, which I thought was fantastic. And every time I come in here, there's just so many different varieties of pots and plants, and I ended up picking up one of those moss poles. I do need to go back for another. The main reason I came here though was for their soil, and it is about $30 for that bag, but I want to tell you something. The cashier literally topped off the bag when I left. It was amazing. And of course they have a bunch of locally handmade items as well. So this was just a no-brainer for me when I need my plant stuff. Of course, our next stop had to be coffee, and this line was a wee bit outrageous, but that's okay. We went to Zen Coffee Company. They have always spoke out about things, and they welcome everybody in their stores, and their coffee is absolutely delicious. They just put out their Valentine's Day menu, and it is absolutely fantastic, and it hits the right spot every single stinking time. So whenever I can find a local coffee shop that has good coffee and has good morals, I always support them. Okay, back to the actual errands. So the next stop that I needed to make was at Pet Supplies Plus. This is where I usually get all of Kylo's dog food, and I stock up on everything here. These are independently owned franchises, and when I look up the businesses on Goods Unitas, they just show kind of a neutral position. So for me, that is a green flag. Also, they have so many different fun things going on during the summertime. They partner with local shelters and host events. They also actually have a section in this store where shelters can have cats and things presented so people can come and look at the cats and potentially adopt them. Plus, the deals that you get through their email list are phenomenal. Obviously, my sister's dogs are very large, and she saves so much money shopping here. So that's just a few reasons why I choose this place. And of course, I needed groceries, and 8 times out of 10, you will catch me at Aldi. There are times where I will go to my local Hy-Vee or I will go to Baker's, but with the deals and where they stand, I will most likely pick Aldi every time. I will say sometimes their produce is very hit and miss, so you just kind of have to keep an eye out for that. Their meat is phenomenal. I used to not buy their meat a lot, but lately I have been finding that it's a little better than the other stores. Now, this aisle is absolutely my nemesis, and I try not to walk down this aisle because I am trying not to buy things that I don't need, even though I really want to try this drawer out. Also, absolutely none of this is sponsored. I really just wanted to show people that you can make meaningful swaps and shop with your morals and values. Sometimes it takes a little bit more legwork and research, but in the long run, it is so worth it to support businesses that support your neighbors and your community around you.